Hi, my name is Chelsea and I'm from the UTS Music Society, and here are our top tips for recording at home. First up is equipment. Did you know that with the right settings, you can use your phone to record great quality audio? Just follow the instructions on the board and you'll be recording like the best of them. Also have a computer handy so that you can store your files on it, as well as set up your backing track in a pair of headphones for when you're recording. Last but not least, of course, you need your instrument. You might also want to have a music stand to store your sheet music. The next phase is setting up. You want to make sure that the room you are in has minimal reflective surfaces, or surfaces that you can have an echo produced from. That means that although you sound great in your bathroom, it's not a good space for recording, and you should probably go for a bedroom that has a carpet. You can use blankets, jackets, or rugs to also cover any reflective surfaces in the space that you are using. The room should also be away from any outside noise, so make sure to shut doors and windows. If you play or sing relatively loudly, put a sock on your phone mic, or put your phone under a pillow to help deafen a bit of that noise. Make sure that you place your phone as close to the instrument or amp as possible without any levels of distortion. Now we're up to recording. You want to make sure that you do some tests first so that you are happy with your levels and the way everything sounds. You want to be as loud as possible without any distortion. Don't move around too much because this will mess up your levels, and also maybe tape your sheet music down so that you don't have any rustling in your recording. Do a spike clap at the beginning of each take so that you can sync up your track with any other tracks that you use for your recording. Have your backing track playing in your headphones so the mic doesn't pick up any bleeding from that music. And that's it, time to record. Make sure to listen back to your takes, and if you don't like them, just try again. Also feel free to upload anything that you make and tag us in it, because we'd love to hear about you using our tips. There are many things that you can also buy to get better results, such as apps, mics, and other recording equipment, but this tutorial helps you get the best out of what you have available to you. Good luck!